Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the physical fit and preparing the gear. Remove existing tips and inspect them. If torn or compressed, swap to new sizes. Once done, clean both the ear and AirPod contact areas with a 70% isopropyl wipe, avoiding speaker ports because oil and debris reduce friction. Now put the AirPods in and perform a short walk and gentle jaw open test to identify which side shifts. This tells you which tip size or accessory to try next. Now adjust fit and add accessories to lock them in place. Swap to a smaller or larger silicone tip until you get a stable seal. Foam tips often expand to fill the canal, increasing friction. If needed, attach ear hooks or a thin loop accessory for active use. These distribute force and stop slippage. Once configured, rerun the fit test with speech, head tilts, and a brief jog for 60 to 90 seconds, so you can confirm comfort and security before moving on to final tweaks. Finish by locking the fit and verifying reliability. Rotate each AirPod about 45 degrees and push gently inward until you feel a light suction. This simple reposition often creates a better mechanical lock. Make sure to test with real movements, chewing, looking down, and shoulder rolls. If they still fall out, reset the AirPods, repair, and repeat the ear tip fit test because calibration and firmware can change sensing. If problems persist, replace tips or seek Apple service for hardware assessment. This solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.